Hey guys, and welcome on back to my channel. Really quickly, I'm going to show you how I got that hairstyle in the beginning of my intro in less than 10 minutes. So I just took a big old glob of some old school, like basically hair grease. I think I've probably had this since the 90s. I just need something really heavy just to slick my hair down and add a lot of extra shine and moisture. So take whatever you need, any type of oil or whatever, and add it to your hair. My hair is freshly washed and straightened. I also took some organic root stimulator smoothing pudding. My hair does not like gels or pomades, so this is what I use to help get my hair pretty flat and lay what little edges that I do have down. Alrighty, so now I'm just working those products into my hair, just smoothing my hair out and then putting my hair in a low ponytail. You can put your hair in your ponytail how high or how low you want. It's just personal preference. Now I'm just adding my scarf on to my head just to make sure my hair is kind of just set. So letting that smoothing pudding and everything just set and mold my hair so that it's super flat and laid. So I kept the scarf on for about maybe 10 minutes or so. So now I'm just taking everything off, and I'm going to be using just some cheap beauty supply store hair, y'all. It does not matter. It is track hair though. This is kind of like a deep wave. It's a really pretty curl pattern, but it was 10 bucks for 3 bundles, and I was like, why not? So here I'm just showing you what the hair looks like fresh out the pack. And what you're going to do is you're going to take the track hair, twist it, but leave it so that it's double wefted. So what I did is I added a bobby pin at the end where the ends of the wefts were folded together, and then I'm going to stick that bobby pin through and then stick that onto my braided ponytail. So you're going to have to maneuver a little bit just to make sure that the bobby pin is able to stay in your hair without shifting too much. And then you're just literally going to start wrapping your hair around the braid, and you're going to slowly move your way up so that you can cover your full entire braid. So wrap really tight around that braided ponytail, as tight as you can, and you'll see me add some bobby pins here and there before I get to the end, just for extra security, because I don't want this hair coming off as I'm walking down the street thinking I'm cute and then I have a trail of hair dragging behind me. How epic would that be? Alrighty, so when you get to the end of your weft, you're gonna have to bobby pin the end down. That way it doesn't come undone or unravel. That was a little tricky for me too, but it's doable, y'all. You just have to take your time and be patient and make sure that you secure the end down into your braid. So I took a second weft of hair, bundle of hair. Did the same thing. I added the bobby pin to the folded part of the weft and then just stuck that in my hair and started twisting back up to the top of the braid. So all the way to the top of your ponytail or your braided ponytail until you don't have any more hair left. So I took a little piece of hair in the back just to twist and wrap around the top of the ponytail just to make it look more seamless and realistic. And then just really pin it back into your ponytail just to make sure everything stays secure, everything looks well polished and well put together, and then you're done. I brushed out the curls a little bit just to see how big the ponytail could get, and then was on my way.